The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Will County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, northern Lake County in northwestern Indiana, until 4:45 p.m. At 4 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Richmond Park, or near University Park, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, ping pong ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hammond, Gary, Tinley Park, Calumet City, Portage, Merrillville, Chicago Heights, East Chicago, Schererville, Hobart, Lansing, Crown Point, Highland, Munster, Dalton, Park Forest, Madison, Frankfort, Griffith, and St. John. Including the following interstates: Interstate 57 between mile markers 332 and 345. Interstate 80 between mile markers 151 and 155. Interstate 94 between mile markers 67 and 74. Interstate 294 between mile markers 67 and 74. Indiana Interstate 80 between mile markers 1 and 15. Indiana Interstate 90 between mile markers 1 and 21. Indiana Interstate 94 near mile marker 16. Indiana Interstate 65 between mile markers 250 and 261. This includes Indiana University Northwest, Purdue University Calumet, First Midwest Bank Amphitheater, Governors State University, Indiana Motor Speedway, Prairie State College, South Shore Railcats Baseball, and South Suburban College. A tornado. This is NOAA Weather